Welcome to USA Convo. This is a network that connects learners with independent tutors who are from the United States. You are about to watch a lesson sample from a tutor. Please take a moment to read the following information. You can pause the video if needed. Now, let's watch the lesson.
Welcome to Speak and Respond. In this lesson, you'll learn new words and practice using them out loud so you can speak more clearly and more naturally in real conversations. This will help you feel more confident when you speak to other people in English. Then, you'll say it again on your own to help you think faster and speak with more confidence. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand these words and say them correctly. And then you'll be able to use it with more confidence. This is your time to practice speaking. So say every word out loud. Don't stay silent. If it feels difficult, then that's just a part of learning. But you got to keep going and you got to try again. So let's begin. Now, let us look at how to use this lesson so you can get the best results. As you go through the lesson, stay active and be focused. Do not just watch. Speak loud and repeat each word and stay engaged the entire time. Try to match the sound as closely as you can and speak clearly and do not rush. Take your time and focus on each sound. And if you need more time, pause the video so you can practice speaking at your own pace. Also, let's be honest with your effort and do not skip the speaking. The more you practice, the more you improve. If you follow these steps, you will improve your pronunciation, build confidence, and speak more naturally. So let's begin. Now we will begin with a warm-up practice. You'll repeat each sentence after me. So focus on speaking clearly and at a steady pace. Listen first. I am ready to improve my English. Now repeat. I am ready to improve my English. Say it again. I am ready to improve my English. Now the next sentence. I speak clearly and confidently. Repeat after me. I speak clearly and confidently. Now say it one more time on your own. Now the last sentence. Practice helps me sound natural. Repeat after me. Practice helps me sound natural. Now say it again on your own. Let's continue forward. Now we will learn a new word. Listen carefully to how it sounds. The word is enhance. Now say it out loud. Enhance. Say it again on your own. This word means to improve or make something better. Listen to the example. Reading daily can enhance your vocabulary. Good. Think about how you can use this word in your own speaking. Now it's your turn to repeat and build your speaking step by step. We will start with the word enhance. So say it out loud. Enhance. Good. Now we will move to a short phrase. Listen. Enhance your skills. Now say it out loud. Enhance your skills. Now say it again on your own. Good. Now we will practice with a longer sentence. Listen, enhance your communication skills. Now say it out loud. Enhance your communication skills. Say it one more time on your own. Good. Keep your voice clear and steady each time you speak. Now we will learn a new word. And the word is or accurate. Listen carefully. Accurate. Now say it out loud. Accurate. Say it again on your own. This word means correct or precise. Now listen carefully to the next example. Accurate pronunciation improves understanding. Pay close attention to how the word is used in the sentence so you can understand its meaning and use it correctly. Now it's your turn to repeat and build your speaking step by step. We will start with the word accurate. Now say it out loud. Accurate. Say it again on your own. Good. Now we will move to a short phrase. Listen. Accurate pronunciation. Now say it out loud. Accurate pronunciation. Say it again on your own. Good. Now we will say a full sentence. Listen. Speak with accurate pronunciation. Now say it with me. Speak with accurate pronunciation. Say it one more time on your own. Great. Focus on seeing each word clearly and correctly each time. Now we will focus on natural speaking. In real conversations, Americans do not always say every word exactly as the way it's written. They often connect and shorten the words, which makes speech sound faster and more natural. Let's look at the first example. Want to becomes wanna. Listen carefully. Wanna. Now say it out loud. Wanna. Now say it again on your own. Okay. Now the next one. Going to becomes gonna. Listen. Gonna. Now say it out loud. Gonna. Now say it again on your own. Great. Now the last one is have to becomes have to. Listen. Have to. Now say it out loud. Have to. Now say it again on your own. Okay. So these forms are very common in everyday speech. Now you will practice full sentences using natural speaking. Listen first. I wanna improve. Now say it out loud. I wanna improve. Say it again on your own. Good. Now the next sentence. Listen to me. I'm gonna practice daily. Now say it out loud. I am gonna practice daily. Now say it again on your own. Great. Last sentence. Listen. I have to speak confidently. Now say it out loud. I have to speak confidently. Say it one more time on your own. Great work today. You practice listening, repeating, and speaking out loud, which is how you build strong speaking skills. Go through this lesson again to keep improving your pronunciation and to sound more natural each time you speak. With regular practice, your confidence will grow and your speech will become clear. I'll see you in the next lesson.
You can learn more about this tutor on their profile. If you are interested, contact them directly to get started. Explore more tutors and lesson samples on USA Convo. Follow USA Convo for updates. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.